Greetings, this is Rob from Android Community, and today we're going to take a quick look at one of the newer keyboards to enter the Google Play Store. Although this one was previously available, it was limited to beta, so you had to join the beta test group and all that. And the good news though, it's now out of beta. It's available for anyone just with a regular App Store installation. It's called Fleksy, and what we have here is just your basic menu and stuff. One key point here, while it's free to download, free to install and begin using, it is just a trial. It's a 30-day trial, so it should give you plenty of time to figure out if you like it or not. It's $3.99, assuming you want to keep it and keep using it. You know, you have the basics, such as a tutorial. You have a speed game, which you can kind of further play around with. There's some languages, of course, a dictionary, all the stuff that you would find most important with a keyboard app. You can adjust the look and feel between a dark and a light theme. You know, the size of the keys. Typing sounds, haptic feedback can either be turned on or off, and also adjusted in intensity. And so you have that. The thing with this is it's a keyboard that is touted as being incredibly fast, and I believe they use the word extremely forgiving. What that means is you are able to kind of go through and not focus as much on the specific letters you're typing, but the general location of the letters, and then choosing the right word from the drop down. We'll get to that in just one second. So what we have here, let's take a look at the tutorial real quick. So you'll see as it goes through, there you go, extremely forgiving. So we tap here, and you'll see how they kind of have the crazy words when you're ready to, by misspelling, so you can do a space, and there you go. That crazy word turned into amazing. You can flick down, and you'll see the blue highlight there. We'll cycle through, and when you have your word that you want, say Fleksy is beautiful, type the space bar, and it does the punctuation for you. So as you can see, a lot of this is gesture based. You can flick left, it removes the period and puts the space back nicely if you wanted to add another word. Another flick back deletes. So you can go right through and clear everything. And then sticking with the swipe gestures, we have flick up to undo and see it learned that crazy word. And then if you follow these two dots here, it'll drop down to a mini, as well as an invisible keyboard. And this is where the extremely forgiving portion comes in. So let's two swipe, bring that keyboard back up. And we'll go into Evernote, where we have a note saved. We'll open that up to edit it. And so we say here we start with the FL, and then we miss the E, we miss the S, we miss the K, and we miss the Y. If we swipe, it gave us flashy. Not exactly the word we're looking for, but we can swipe up, and we learned that. Swipe down to choose what you want, space. So as you can see, this will take a bit of getting used to, but it does have some potential. And if nothing else, it's free for the first 30 days. So if you're looking for an alternate keyboard, certainly one that will be interesting to try. And if you're feeling really adventurous, go for that invisible keyboard. Anyway, again, this was Rob from Android Community, and this was just a quick look at the Fleksy keyboard.